Thank you for your interest and participation in convalescent serological surveillance. This is a short video for practices who are part of the Oxford RCGP RSC network. It provides a quick overview and outlines the steps for participant recruitment. If your practice would like to take part, all that is required is taking blood samples from people who have recovered from COVID-19 at 3 time points over a year. Practices are also paid a small fee for each sample received. We are in urgent need of blood samples from patients who have recovered from COVID-19. These samples will allow researchers to gain a better understanding of the virus and its effect on people's immunity. To take part, you need to follow 4 simple steps. First, identify patients within your practice who have been diagnosed with COVID-19 by a swab test. This swab test may have been taken in hospital, through PLO Team testing, or through your own GP practice. Please inform your administrative staff or staff who are in charge of coding lab results to keep an eye out for positive swab results, as this will assist you in identifying patients. You may also wish to run a search using specific codes that your practice uses to record positive swab tests. Recommended codes related to COVID-19 can be found on our ClinInf webpage, which is linked below. Click on COVID-19 clinical flowchart with optimal SNOMED-CT codes. This will display the optimal codes all practices should be using. The codes practices should be using for positive swab tests are detection of SARS-CoV-2 using polymerase chain reaction technique, SARS-CoV-2 detected, and COVID-19 confirmed by laboratory test. If you use these codes, you can run a search to quickly identify eligible patients. Next, check to ensure the patient meets the eligibility criteria. Remember, patients who have had blood tests that show antibodies are not eligible for this. They need to have had a positive swab test. Make sure the patient, or in the case of a child, their parent or legal guardian, understands the study information and is able to provide informed verbal consent. Please note, patients residing in care homes or nursing homes are unable to participate, as this falls under the exclusion criteria. We are looking for children under the age of 16 who have not been in hospital for COVID-19, and we require 50 patients in this age group. Those aged between 16 and 64 need to have spent at least 1 night in hospital for COVID-19, and we require 25 participants in this age group. And for those aged 65 and above, we are looking in both categories. Please visit the webpage for any clarification. We do have the full protocol available online. Once this is done, contact the patient and provide the patient information sheet, which is available online for download. Please answer any queries they may have, and once informed verbal consent is obtained, you can book them in for their blood tests. First one should be 3 to 6 weeks after symptom onset, second at 12 weeks, and the third blood sample at 20 weeks. It is vital that you print the specific lab request form from the webpage and place it into the serology kits we post to you. As soon as the patient has been recruited, please inform the PLO team by emailing us at practiceinquiries@phc.ox.ac.uk to advise us of the age and disease category for the recruited patients. Remember, do not provide any patient details in this email. We will then organise for serology kits with a prepaid envelope included to be posted out to your practice. Reimbursement details are also available on the webpage. Please don't hesitate to contact the team if you have any queries. We encourage you to share this within your GP practice to spread the word to all your staff. We sincerely thank you for your continued support for the Oxford RCGP Research and Surveillance Centre and your contribution towards this vital COVID work.